Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the channel. So Jeff tells us that, well, basically Jeff lied to us, is where I'm going with this, right?
Less than 10 ingredients. I don't buy it.
We're driving to his house right now. He claims he's gonna cook us a delicious meal with 10 ingredients or less. I think he said 10 minutes or less, right?
Quickest video ever, he said.
So he claims. So if you've checked out the channel before, you guys know that Jeff can turn anything that's simple into something really, really complex.
Major.
Yeah, I mean, you could ask the kid to boil water. You know, it'll take 5-6 pots. So, we'll turn the camera back on when we get there. Let's see what Jeff has in store.
We'll see if he's ready when we get there.
Oh yeah, that's another thing.
That would be one.
It is
huge.
Good point. You know, it's not uncommon for us to show up just as Jeff walks up from the basement and goes, "Oh, I'll go take a shower now."
Hop in the shower. Exactly. Oh, guys,
okay.
I gotta go feed the family, and then I'll be right with you.
Or how about the time he showed up for a video and said, "Oh, I got an appointment at the Genius Bar," and he was gone for 3 hours.
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
you guys know Jeff well enough. We can't make this stuff up.
Tonight should be interesting. We'll see. So, what's the over/under? You ready?
There's no chance he's even down here. There's no chance he's got ingredients down here. There's no chance that he's ready to go. Whoa!
Oh, look at that!
What's this?
Yeah, it's ready. What?
Look at this!
We got the essentials.
This is shocking. Shocking!
What happened? Where's Jeff? What'd you do with Jeff?
Guys,
Wait, you gonna run out to the store or something?
this is the ingredient. That's it.
I'm a little surprised. Nate?
I'm shocked. I'm shocked he's ready.
Wow.
All right, so even though Jeff fooled us when we got here and he had everything ready, we've been here, what, Chris, 20 minutes?
Half an hour. Easy.
And
Half an hour. Let's.
anything on the, should we pan to the griddle? Anything on the griddle?
Well, he just came from downstairs with the last few items.
What I do want to
The
point out
ingredient list just went up.
Yep.
is the lights are still working. Very hot. Grill's still on.
And you've used it how many times since they're installed, do you think?
At least 2 to 3.
I was thinking
At
more.
least.
So, for the record, you were doing good by being ready when we got here, but losing points quickly.
All right. So let's get right to it. Chris, you're right.
Jeff, right to it was 30 minutes ago.
Right to it, Chris, you talk.
All right. So before we get started, I just want to prove that this is it. This is the ingredients, or these are the ingredients.
The few ingredients.
And the bread doesn't count because that's just an added bonus. There's some sausage, whether you want hot or sweet, doesn't matter. Got some kale and spinach. You got a pound of cooked pasta. Got a little parsley for color, a little garlic, butter, mozzarella.
Did you say kale?
1, 2, 3,
Kale.
4,
I'm
5,
allergic.
6, 7.
Are you? That's too bad.
I'm allergic to the taste of it.
Don't worry, I'm gonna wrap it around a piece of shrimp. You'll be fine.
That's 7 ingredients, Jeff. That's it.
Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah.
You feeling okay?
Well,
We have to take your temperature?
let's just get going. Let's get to it.
Or so he keeps saying.
Chris, you're up.
What do you want?
Sausage down.
Sausage down. Let's get it going.
Perfect.
Just put it on. Sausage going down. Maybe. Oh, sticky, Jeff. Sausage going down. Nice and easy.
I gave you tongs, you know. So I normally use chicken sausage for this, but the brand that I like is not there, so I just got regular sausage, the spicy one. I found
You had these before, the hot Italian ones?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The Bianco brand?
the Bianco brand. Yeah.
They're good.
And what's that restaurant they opened? He started doing it was like a low carb company, not Del Toro. There's another brand too that's good. But whatever sausage you prefer.
Low and slow. We got this heat on low.
Yeah, we like it spicy, so we're gonna have a little spicy, but
Yep. Let it sit. Slowly rotate, right? Every couple minutes.
this is the most depressing commentary.
This is the boringest video clip we've ever shot. Oh look, Chris put sausage down.
Yeah. Hey, oh, there it is. So the sausage is down. Whatever you want for heat. You know, as far as on the sausage, we like spicy sausage, but if you want sweet Italian, whatever floats your boat. We're keeping this low and slow, and we'll just keep spinning them. Probably, Nate, what do you think? 15, 20 minutes, Chris?
Yeah, that's it. On low like that.
So you'll see how simple it is. All right, guys, so these have been going for 20 minutes, give or take. I shut this burner off, and I'm just gonna slice these. And I'm gonna move them over off the heat.
For the record, past the 10-minute mark, Chris.
Way past.
Yeah. Well, what can you do, you know?
Yeah, we don't do anything. We know what the Jeff cooks.
Start by not misleading us.
So we're gonna get these off to the side. We only get a pound of pasta, so we don't need to use all of these.
So Jeff, people are gonna ask, why are you using that knife on that griddle? Are you dulling that knife, Jeff?
Because Nate told me to. And I was against it because this is one of my favorite knives.
Will it dull the knife?
I think it will dull the knife, but thankfully we have
being
nice
gentle?
sharpeners.
For the record, Nate said, grab a cheap steak knife, it'll be fine.
Yeah, I know.
It's not gonna hurt the griddle at all, but it will dull the knife a little bit.
These all look pretty cooked. You got some nice color.
Smells good, Jeff.
Lights are still going. So putting those off to the side where there's no heat's off. Into the CC 12,000.
CC 12,000.
CC 12,000. And then we're gonna start with half a stick of butter, about
You know, Nate's looking at it like, you call that butter?
3 cloves of garlic,
That ain't a lot of butter.
Why only a half
I'll
stick?
show you a lot of butter.
a little bit of oil. Get that going.
Aren't you gonna use any butter?
Get
So
my-
this is your sauce?
This is to start. So now I got my spinach and kale. I did a rough chop on this, on both of them. You'll see in a little clip that we'll put up there. Just a rough chop, about 2 cups of each. Baby spinach, baby kale. And you're gonna see, it doesn't go far. The stuff melts down pretty quickly.
So while Jeff's preoccupied with that, guys, he didn't want to say this, but anyone who hits the subscribe button, he's going to send $1,000.
$1,000? Maybe it's about time I subscribe.
It'll be
Nice.
a personal check from Jeff.
Nice. So this is only gonna take, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. And I still have the burners on low.
So does the kale and the spinach cook at the same amount of?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
What'd you buy for kale? Fresh?
They get the box in the salad section.
Oh, like the plastic box?
Yeah, yeah. And this is pretty, believe it or not, like a whole box. The smaller box.
A little torn here, Jeff. You got healthy greens in there, but you got sausage. Look where
Yeah.
we're going with this. Just flavor?
All
Guilty
all health.
pleasure.
And now, it's already starting to cook up nicely. Just gonna bring the sausage over, incorporate it all.
I bet if someone brought another spatula, it would have been helpful.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it would have been helpful if I didn't lose my first one, but
Well, tell him, Nate had one job today, one job.
Yeah, sure. Nate did.
Can we cut this lemon for you?
yeah, we'll take half a lemon. All right, so we got that going. We got the butter, we got oil, and we're gonna do a little bit of lemon, give it a little something special. What are we up to for ingredients, guys?
5, sausage, butter, garlic.
You count the butter?
kale.
Of course, it's an ingredient.
It's not, that's a,
Kale and spinach, 5.
do you count like ketchup when you put it on your hamburger?
Of course you do.
No, you don't. All right, so now we'll move that back onto the heat. Gonna do the other side of the butter.
Where's your butter brick?
The butter brick.
Going?
Yeah, I used it.
Jeez.
Gonna do the same thing, a little oil. Get the pasta going, get that warmed up. That's 1 pound of pasta, 1 pound of sausage, 4 cups of greens, and like 6 cloves of garlic. And this, one of the advantages of the big griddle, right?
Smells delish. Everybody in the family like this, Jeff?
Yeah, except for June. So 3 out of 4. She's not a big fan of sausage, but you can do this with chicken too. So
Hey, the chicken, steak,
just
pork.
kind of getting to the reason behind this is that I make my wife a fresh salad every single day. She goes off to work, I make her a fresh salad. Oh, we got pasta down. And I buy the kale and spinach and I make the salad with that, plus a little bit of romaine. The end of the week, I always have some left over, and then I always buy some more the next week because I don't want it to be, a week old and have it be potentially bad or not as good. So I was throwing it out or putting it in the compost bin for the first, last year, because I don't like spinach, I don't like kale. At least I thought I didn't. And I tried spinach and I tried kale, and I'm like, wow, I actually like them. And they're low carb. So I'm kind of trying to do a low carb thing right now
As he stirs a pound of pasta.
as I stir a pound of pasta. And so I make this without the pasta. Ooh, 2 pieces down. And it's delicious. So every week I get to put this
So
together.
you just do sausage, kale, and spinach?
Sausage, kale, and spinach with the
Butter and garlic?
butter and garlic.
Yeah?
It ends up being,
You eat a lot of that?
yeah,
How long does it take you to poop?
it actually pretty quick. It's not bad. So, guys, once you cook the sausage and you have the pasta already, pretty close to done.
I think it's somewhat sexist that you keep calling everyone guys. We have female subscribers.
And I think the females are gonna like what you said about it. How every day you make your wife
Every
a
day,
salad.
a fresh salad.
Yeah, guys, he's making us look great, isn't he?
So this is just garlic, onion powder for some garlic bread and some Italian seasoning. Get that going. Then,
I don't know, Chris. The bread looks pretty hard. Jeff just said he uses the leftover vegetables. Are we getting the discards here, Jeff?
Sloppy seconds.
put that in there, let it
What kind of
incorporate in.
cheese?
Some mozzarella.
And next week, Nate's gonna make this, but with 6 sticks of butter.
I know how to gild the lily.
Oh, look at that cheese melting. What do you want to do, disco?
Well, when you're getting ready to say the big, yeah, you gotta do
There
like
it is.
the blinking or something.
All right, so we can start plating this up. You want to get? Yeah, you can get it. Oh, this cheese is melted just enough. It definitely help to have a second spatula right about now, Chris.
When's your
you know
birthday?
You know what this would be good for is a chafing dish.
Yeah.
You doing like a party?
Absolutely, something different, huh? It's a good idea. Instead of like broccoli, Alfredo, ziti, you know,
Yeah. Now if it starts
Chicken.
to dry out, you can always throw more butter on.
that's it. Butter and oil, mix it up.
And this is easily enough for 4. If not 8.
I'd say this is for more than 4.
I'd say that's a week's worth of food. Actually, Jeff, the amount of sausage you put in looked about right.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah. Oh, money shot. Money shot.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Done. You weren't ready. What the hell is that? Are you ready for it? Uh-oh, the lights are changing. Are they shutting down?
Uh-oh.
Anyways, we're gonna plate this up. We got some good-looking garlic bread coming up. And we'll see you at the table. So, was it relatively simple and quick?
Yeah.
100%.
Yep.
A lot of flavor.
Done. Golf clap to Jack. Yes, come on. That was good. That was good.
So,
That's really good, Jeff. Really good.
Delicious.
great low-carb meal if you skip the pasta, and it's still filling, and it's really good. A lot of flavor, fresh. You know, gives you a reason to buy kale, reason to buy baby spinach. If you never tried it before, it's worth at least a try. But
Kale never tasted so good in my life.
It is baby.
I don't know if that says anything good or bad.
It was delicious. And the sausage tasted like garlic sausage. A little spicy garlic sausage.
Well,
It was really good.
we appreciate you hanging in this line. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Cheers. Well done, Jeff.
Here you go.
Well done. You're the man.